The System File Checker is a utility in Microsoft Windows located in C/Windows/System32 folder. Using this utility allow users to scan for and restore corrupt Windows system files. Now let's get started. Open the command prompt with administration privileges. Now type sfc scannow. So as it shows beginning system scan. Wait, this process will take some time. And I am going to skip the video. So now the process is completed and the corrupt files are now fixed, but there are some files that can't be fixed by System File Checker.